Hi, so this is the new light ring for the P1. Here's what the old one looked like. It was a single circuit wired through on the inside. And then this went on there. And then this went on there. So the gap lets you, clear the head. Well, the new one, it is now 2 circuits. I got a cut in the end there, and then I soldered it back together. And then the inner part of the ring is 1 circuit, and the outer part of the ring is another circuit. So now I can have 3, 4, or 7 elements on at a time. So that'll give me some more options for, if the brightness is wrong for a particular whatever. Or I'm thinking maybe I'll use the outer ring to light the part, and then turn on the inner ring when I want to light the boards. If that's not too bright, I don't know. We'll find out. So this goes in here like that, and now this fits, instead of like the old one, this one's going to fit like this now. So it's going to completely clear this area, and this is where the camera ends up focusing on. So that should keep the light ring out of the FOV of the camera now. I've also reprinted the other parts. As you can see, I've changed this. It's a little wider now. That's what you hear in the background is the new parts printing. So I'll have that together shortly, and I'll post another video.